Aquascaping is the art of creating underwater landscapes within an aquarium, combining nature, creativity, and design. This hobby involves arranging plants, rocks, driftwood, and aquatic life to form visually stunning and balanced ecosystems. Aquascapers often draw inspiration from natural scenery like forests, mountains, or rivers to build peaceful underwater worlds. It requires patience, precision, and a good understanding of aquatic plants and water chemistry. Beyond its beauty, aquascaping promotes relaxation, focus, and appreciation for nature's harmony. Many enthusiasts find joy in watching their miniature ecosystem grow and evolve, making aquascaping both a creative outlet and a soothing, mindful hobby. This hobby encourages patience, creativity, and an understanding of ecology, lighting, and water chemistry. Many enthusiasts find aquascaping therapeutic, as it promotes focus and relaxation while fostering a deep connection to nature. Ultimately, it transforms a simple aquarium into a peaceful, living masterpiece. Thank you for watching.